In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Facebook ads for lead generation. If you're looking to capture potential customers' information and grow your business, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process and get you started in no time. First things first, you need to head over to your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and managing your ad campaigns. You can find the Ads Manager by clicking on the menu icon at the top of your Facebook page and selecting Ads Manager from the drop-down list. Once you're in Ads Manager, look for the Create button. Click on it to begin setting up a new ad campaign. This will open a new window where you'll be asked to choose a buying type. For lead generation, you want to select the option that suits your business goals best. Often, this will be the Leads option. Selecting Leads ensures that your campaign is optimized to gather contact information from potential customers. After choosing your buying type, click Continue to move on to the next step. Here, you'll need to fill out the required fields with information pertinent to your campaign. This includes naming your campaign, setting your budget, and determining your schedule. Make sure to pay attention to the budget settings. You can choose a daily or lifetime budget based on how much you're willing to spend. Next, you'll move on to the ad set level, where you'll define your audience. This is a crucial step because reaching the right people can make or break your campaign. You can target users based on demographics, interests, or even behaviors. Take your time to refine your target audience to ensure your ads are shown to those most likely to be interested in your offer. Once your audience is set, you'll need to decide where you want your ads to appear. Facebook offers various placements such as Facebook News Feeds, Instagram, and the Audience Network. You can either choose automatic placements or manually select the ones you think will perform best for your campaign. After you've completed all necessary fields and you're satisfied with your setup, click Next to proceed to the ad creation. Here, you can design your ad by choosing your format and uploading images or videos. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching and your copy is clear and compelling to entice users to click. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to publish your ad. Go through your campaign settings one last time to confirm everything is in order. When you're ready, hit the Publish button. Your Facebook lead generation ad is now live and ready to start bringing in new leads for your business. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Facebook ad for lead generation. Keep an eye on your campaign's performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Happy advertising!